Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to recover your Poppo Life account if you forget your password. Alright, so it's very easy, so let's get started. First step you want to take is of course open your Poppo Life app, and if you do that, you'll be asked to log in with your Google or log in with your Facebook. But this is what you have to do. If you look just below the two options, you are going to see this drop down icon right here. Go ahead and click on that, then select this option which is for email. After that, go ahead and enter your email address and click on next. Alright, so right here you'll be required to fill in your password, but of course you don't have your password. You've forgotten your password, so you're looking for a way to recover your Poppo Life account without password, right? So what you have to do is to click on this forget password appearing just below the text box to fill in password. Alright, so I will just click on that, and then what I have to do next is to complete this task by just dragging this object from here, from here to this other end, just like this. Right, so next thing you want to do is to wait for the verification code that will be sent to your email address. So it takes few seconds to for you to get it. All right, so I'll just pause this video and wait for it. All right, so it's already sent. Let me just bring this down and see. All right, so this is the verification code. So what I just have to do now is to click to copy this code from here. All right, after that I'll head back to my Poppo Life app, and then I'll just have to paste the verification code right here, and then I have to set a new password for my Poppo Life account. So I'll just go ahead and create a very strong password. Alright, so that's the password. So next thing I want to do is to click on next, and then it says it should be up to 8 or 16 digits, so I'll just add some other digits to it. Alright, so after that I'll click on next, and then I'll have my account back. Alright, so as you can see, we've recovered our account. So it was that simple guys. So this is how you can actually do it. Hope this guide was helpful, and you now know how to recover your Poppo Life account if you forget your password. If you guys give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.